Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up stop loss and take profit on Robinhood application. Now if you're looking for any direct way like in which you can set the stop loss and take profit at once, like there is not an option in the Robinhood. However, you can do it manually one by one. So how you can do it? Now step one is just open your Robinhood application, and once you have opened it, you can just like go to the crypto option. Like you can just go to the search option and you can just select your coin, and once the coin or the currency is selected, you can just click on trade. And once you click on trade, you will be seeing these three options: trade option, buy and sell. So just click on second option, which is sell. And once you click on sell, you will be seeing like this kind of option: sell AAPL, number of shares, market price, and estimated credit. Now before that, what you need to do is just click on this share option. And once you click on this share option, you will be seeing like all these options like market order and conditional orders. So inside the conditional orders, make sure to choose stop order. This is basically a kind of stop loss. And once you click on stop order, you will be like asked to set the price of stop price, or you can just say it the stop loss. Make sure to enter the price, and once you enter the price, you will be asked to set the timer in force as well. Like you, how do you, like when do you want to end it? 3 p.m. tomorrow, or like you can select the date as well, and just click on review. And once you click on review, you will be like redirected back to this section, sell APL. So from here you can just select the number of shares, like how much shares do you want to select. And stop price is already selected, so you can just click on review. And once you click on review, you will be seeing like an option like this one to confirm it. And once you click on like you have reviewed all the information, you can just swipe up and it will be saved or it will be set it. Now if we talk about the take profit option, like as you can see, this is basically our stop loss is set. Now if we talk about the take profit, the process is pretty simple. Just again open the trade section, and inside the trade you will see three options. So just click on sell, and once you click on sell, go back to the shares option. And once you go back to the shares option, now this time just click on limit order. This is basically our take profit. So you can just click on limit order, and once you click on limit order, they will ask you to set limit price. So you can set your limit price, or you can just say it's the take profit price. And once you have set it, they will ask you to set the timer as well, and you can just set it. Click on continue, and once you click on continue, from here you can just select the number of shares, like how many shares do you want to select, and click on review. And once you click on review, you will be seeing an like a pop-up this to confirm everything, like the number of shares, limit price, estimated credit as well, everything. And from here you can just swipe up to submit. And that is a simple and easy process of how you can set the stop loss and take profit on Robinhood. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.